On your journey becoming a better photographer, you might struggle. You might even want to change your style, your genre altogether. And I will argue that that might not be a good idea. Hi, it's Peter here, and let's get right into the business. A Finnish-American photographer, Aron Rafael Minkkinen, had a great metaphor about this. Your photography journey is like taking a bus from the Helsinki bus station. All the buses that leave from the Helsinki bus station have about the same route for, let's say, like 3 or 4 kilometers. And after that, they'll start to, differ. And once you're getting the journey on the bus, there will be less and less people in the bus, for example. There will be less and less other buses going to the same route. And when you are finishing with the bus ride, you will end up in the end stop somewhere in the suburb of Helsinki. And most likely there won't be too many people in there. You might even be the only one that's taking the bus all the way. And this is also something to do with your photographic journey. At the beginning of your photographic journey, you will be taking images like everyone else is. And you might even get comments that, hey, those images resemble that and that photographer. Why are you taking those sunsets? They are similar to everyone else and all that. But if you're continuing doing what you're doing and doing the type of photography you like to do and trying to pursue forward, you start to realize that there will be less and less similar images to yours and you're starting to be unique. I think that metaphor is a great example of being consistent, being true to your own style and genre. Just keep on doing what you're doing and you will be unique. So don't worry if your images look similar in the beginning of your photographic journey. Because one image might not be anything special, but if you have several images of the same subject, same style, same genre, those images might mean something. It becomes a set of images. You will build up a body of work. And the problem with many is that they get off the bus too early because they think that they're not going anywhere. They're taking the same image like that everybody else is doing. And then they take another bus and they are, kind of stuck. You're just stuck in the beginning. You never will finish your photographic journey, or you want to be unique. And of course, being a photographer or being an amateur photographer doesn't mean that you have to have a style or anything. You can photograph whatever you want. But if you want to be better, then having your own style, your distinctive style and genre that you really want to photograph is something that you might consider achieving or trying to get. And I think that's one thing in a way of being a better photographer, is to have a style and your genre that is the one that you really like. So being true to your beginning and following that path might lead you something. I talked about this same thing on a workshop that we had with Matti Solonto here in Helsinki, which is when I published this video is actually the last day of that workshop. I will put a link into the page of our workshop because we might have one next year too. So follow that website and subscribe to my newsletter. You will get more information about upcoming workshops too. So what Minkkinen was trying to say is that stay on the bus. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.